Welcome to our video, Top 6 Unique Gadgets and Must-Have Products for Everyday Use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Pistol Jug Mugs. These ceramic mugs are a perfect blend of humor and practicality. Shaped like a pistol, these mugs are an excellent gift for anyone who loves quirky drinkware. Ideal for coffee, water, or any beverage of your choice, their sturdy ceramic build ensures durability. With their unique design, they're great for starting conversations and adding a touch of personality to your morning coffee routine. Whether for a boys' day gift or just to add some flair to your kitchen, these mugs are sure to impress. Number 5. USB Clock Fan. This is no ordinary desk fan. The USB clock fan is a multi-purpose gadget that not only keeps you cool, but also displays the time and temperature in bright LED lights. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for your desk, camping, or even on the go. Plus, it includes a small nightlight for added convenience. Simply plug it into any USB port and enjoy the refreshing breeze while keeping track of time. A must-have for summer. Number 4. Kitchen Cleaning Cloth. These microfiber cleaning cloths are an essential tool for your kitchen and beyond. They're highly absorbent and efficient at wiping away grease, dirt, and stains. Made from polyester fiber, they're soft yet durable, making them perfect for cleaning dishes, windows, cars, and even glasses. Available in sizes of 30 by 30 centimeters, 30 by 40 centimeters, and 30 by 60 centimeters, they come in a stylish yellow and gray color combination. Say goodbye to single-use towels and hello to a sustainable cleaning solution. Number 3. Cherry Core Remover. If you love fresh cherries but hate the mess of removing pits, this stainless steel cherry core remover is your new best friend. Designed for efficiency, it makes pitting cherries and even jujubes quick and hassle-free. Number 2. RAXFLY Car Charger. This car charger is designed for convenience and efficiency. The RAXFLY Car Charger plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and features a spring charging cable compatible with iPhones, Samsungs, and Huawei devices. With a 10-watt charging capacity, it ensures your devices stay powered on the go. The retractable cable eliminates tangles, and its compact design fits neatly in your car. A reliable gadget for long road trips or daily commutes. Number 1. TV Ceramic Mugs. This creative retro mug is a standout piece of drinkware. Shaped like a vintage 3D television, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen or office. Made of ceramic, the mug is perfect for milk, coffee, or even beer. It comes with a matching cover, adding to its charm and practicality. Whether as a household essential or an exquisite gift, this mug brings a nostalgic vibe to your day and sparks joy with every sip. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.